ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, വരാനിരിക്കുന്ന എല്ലാ സിവിൽ എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗ് എക്സാംസിനും ആവശ്യമായുള്ള മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റ് ആണ് ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോയിൽ ഞാൻ കണ്ടക്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. പ്രത്യേകിച്ചും ജനുവരി 8-ാം തീയതി വരുന്ന KLDC എക്സാമിന് പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്യുന്നവരാണെങ്കിൽ ഏറ്റവും പ്രയോജനകരമായിട്ടുള്ള രീതിയിലാണ് മാക്സിമം പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയാണ് ഇന്നത്തെ മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. സോ ആദ്യമായിട്ടാണ് ചാനൽ കാണുന്നതെങ്കിൽ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. കൂടുതൽ ഇതുപോലെയുള്ള വീഡിയോസിന് നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷൻ ലഭിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി ബെൽ ഐക്കൺ പ്രസ് ചെയ്യാം. സോ ഇന്നത്തെ പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിട്ടുള്ള മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റ് നമുക്ക് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. Question: The common values of the contour interval adopted for reservoir and town planning scheme. Options: 2 to 3 meter, 3.5 to 4.5 meter, 0.5 to 2 meter, above 5 meter. So answer option C, 0.5 to 2 meter. The common value of the contour interval adopted for reservoir and town planning scheme. Answer 0.5 to 2 meter. In a single setup of level, the number of backside is taken. Options: any number, 1, 2, none of above. Answer option B, 1. In a single set of level, the number of backside taken is answer option B, 1. Plywood is specified by size and options: number of plies, grain direction, volume, strength in all direction. Answer option A, number of plies. Plywood is specified by size and answer number of plies. While drawing freehand sketching, vertical lines should be drawn. Options: upwards, downwards, in any direction, all the above. Answer option B, downwards. While drawing freehand sketching, vertical lines are drawn. Answer downwards. The interior angle can be calculated from bearing observed at the options: end station, same station, succeeding station, proceeding station. Answer option B, same station. The interior angles can be calculated from the bearing observed at the answer option B, same station. The length of arrows are generally options: less than width, 3 times its width, 6 times its width, same as width. Answer option B, 3 times its width. The length of arrows are generally answer 3 times its width. While planning an educational building, as far as possible, the classroom or laboratories should be placed. Options: north side, south side, east side, west side. Answer option A, north side. While planning an educational building, as far as possible, the classroom or laboratories should be placed. Answer option A, north side. The instrument used for fixing the pipe in position for cutting and threading operation. Options: pipe bending machine, chain wrench, pipe vise, none of above. Answer option C, pipe vise. The instrument used for fixing the pipe in position for cutting and threading operation. Answer option C, pipe vise. In Indian type closet, the track should have minimum water seal of options: 30 mm, 20 mm, 40 mm, 45 mm. Answer option D 45 mm. In Indian type closet, the trap should have minimum water seal of answer option D 45 mm. A small tunnel in the form of pipes laid under the ground to tap up underground flow available at the moderate depth. Options: infiltration galleries, springs, pumps. Answer option A infiltration galleries. A small tunnel in the form of pipes laid under the ground to tap up underground flow available at the moderate depth. Answer option A infiltration galleries. The total quantity of water draining into a reservoir during a period is called. Options: percolation, runoff, evaporation, discharge. Answer option B runoff. The total quantity of water draining into a reservoir during a period is called. Answer option B runoff. Structure constructed for drawing water from a reservoir are called. Options: weir, intakes, siphon well, sluice. Answer option B intakes. Structure constructed for drawing water from reservoir are called. Answer option B intakes. The storage capacity of a reservoir can be computed by using options: geometric method, mass curve method, comparative method, incremental increase method. Answer option B mass curve method. The storage capacity of a reservoir can be computed by using answer option B mass curve method. In a canal siphon, flow is through options: with critical velocity, under negative pressure, through pipe, none of above. Answer option C through pipe. In a canal siphon, flow is through pipe. For testing the ground for foundation, the method used is option: pitching, drilling, piling, probing. Answer option D probing. For testing the ground for foundation, the method used is answer option D probing. The distance up to which lintel is inserted in the supporting wall. Options: 300 mm, 1 by 10 to 1 by 12 span of lintel, 100 mm height of lintel. Answer option D height of lintel. The distance up to which lintel is inserted in the supporting wall. Answer option D height of lintel. The arrangement of layers of stones or bricks by which no continuous vertical joints are formed as options: bond, lacing course, string course, none of those. Answer option A bond. The arrangement of layers of stones or bricks by which no continuous vertical joints are formed as answer option A bond. The main source causing dampness in badly designed kitchen. Option: heat insulation, action of rain, action of wind, condensation. Answer option D condensation. The main source causing dampness in badly designed kitchen. Answer option D condensation. The bearing capacity of a soil can be determined by options penetration test, plate load test, method of loading, all the above. Answer option D, all the above. The bearing capacity of soil can be determined by using penetration test, plate load test, method of loading. So answer is option D, all the above. Sliding door are commonly used in option theatres, hospital, residential building, godowns. Answer option D, godowns. Sliding door are commonly used in answer option D, godowns. A common footing provided for two or more columns when an exterior column is situated near the boundary line of the plot. Options continuous footing, cantilever footing, raft footing, combined footing. Answer option D, combined footing. A common footing provided for two or more columns when an exterior column is situated near the boundary line of the plot. Answer option D, combined footing. Sand is mixed with lime mortar too. Options reduced cost, reduce setting time, prevent shrinkage and cracking, improve strength. Answer option C, prevent shrinkage and cracking. Sand is mixed with lime mortar to answer option C, prevent shrinkage and cracking. Steel reinforcement is placed in cement concrete at suitable places to keep up the options crushing strength, load, tensile stress, none of above. Answer option C, tensile stress. Steel reinforcement is placed in cement concrete at suitable places to keep up the answer option C, tensile stresses. Initial setting time of quick setting cement is nearly options 40 minutes, 5 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Answer option B, 5 minutes. Initial setting time of quick setting cement is nearly answer option B, 5 minutes. Sand passing through a screen with a clear opening of 1.587 mm is known as options gravelly sand, fine sand, coarse sand, pit sand. Answer option B, fine sand. Sand passing through a screen with a clear opening of 1.587 mm is known as answer option B, fine sand. The development of the surface of a pyramid consists of number of equal dashed triangle in contact. Options ellipse, sphere, right circular cylinder, isosceles triangle. Answer option D, isosceles triangle. The development of the surface of a pyramid consists of a number of equal isosceles triangle in contact. Straight line may be defined as the dash of a point moving linearly. Options coccus, focus, locus, none of above. Answer option C, locus. Straight line may be defined as the locus of a point moving linearly. Right solid is a solid whose axis is dash to its base. Options: parallel, horizontal, perpendicular, inclined. Answer: option C, perpendicular. Right solid is a solid whose axis is perpendicular to its base. F9 is the short key of dash. Options: O snap, ortho, snap, any one of those. Answer: option C, snap. F9 is the short key of snap. In orthographic projection, the top view of a prism is dash. Options: one-dimensional, four-dimensional, three-dimensional, two-dimensional. Answer: option D, two-dimensional. In orthographic projection, the top view of a prism is two-dimensional. Projections are dash to each other in orthographic projection. Options: conical, perpendicular, parallel, inclined. Answer: option C, parallel. Projections are parallel to each other in orthographic projection. In third angle projection, the plan of a object is drawing dash. Options: left of elevation, side of elevation, below elevation, top of elevation. Answer: option D, top of elevation. The third angle projection, the plan of a object is drawn at top of elevation. Isometric projection of an object is dash. Options: orthographic, pictorial projection, cabinet projection, cavalier projection. Answer: option D, pictorial projection. Isometric projection of an object is a pictorial projection. For nominal mix, M20 is required quantity of water for 50 kg of cement. Options: 50 liter, 40 liter, 30 liter, 20 liter. Answer: option C, 30 liter. For nominal mix M20, the required quantity of water for 50 kg of cement. Answer: option C, 30 liter. Sharp crested weir is generally used. Options: for small flow, for large flow, for stream carrying high sediment loads, for rivers carrying floating debris. Answer: option A, for small flow. Sharp crested weir is generally used. Answer: option A, for small flow. The type of stone masonry in which stones of same height are laid in layer is called. Options: random rubble masonry, coarse rubble masonry, ashlar masonry, uncoarse rubble masonry. Answer: option B, coarse rubble masonry. The type of stone masonry in which stones of a same height are laid in layers is called. Answer: option B, coarse rubble masonry. A pointed arch which forms isosceles or equilateral triangle is generally known as. Options: one-centered arch, two-centered arch, lambs-end arch, bull-eye arch. Answer: Option C. Lancet arch. A pointed arch which forms isosceles or equilateral triangle is generally known as. Answer option C. Lancet arch. The pigment used in paint or corrosion resistance is dash. Options: zinc white, ferrous oxide, red lead, white lead. Answer option C. Red lead. The pigment used in paints for corrosion resistance is. Answer option C. Red lead. The header bond is generally used for. Option: simple brickwork, arches, 1.5 brick wall, half brick wall. Answer option B. Arches. A header bond is generally used for. Answer option B. Arches. Commonly used lime in whitewashing. Options: fat lime, quick lime, hydraulic lime, white lime. Answer option A. Fat lime. Commonly used lime in whitewashing is. Answer option A. Fat lime. A badly mixed cement concrete resulting. Options: honeycombing, segregation, bleeding, none of above. Answer option A. Honeycombing. A badly mixed cement concrete result in. Answer option A. Honeycombing. And the last question: bulking of sand is caused due to. Options: surface moisture, viscosity, air void, clay content. Answer option A. Surface moisture. Bulking of sand is caused due to. Answer option A. Surface moisture. സോ ഇത്രയാണ് ഇന്നത്തെ പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയുള്ള മോക്ക്. സോ ആദ്യമായിട്ടാണ് ചാനൽ കാണുന്നതെങ്കിൽ ചാനലിന്റെ പ്ലേലിസ്റ്റ് പോവുക. ചാനലിന്റെ പ്ലേലിസ്റ്റിൽ തന്നെയാണെങ്കിൽ ധാരാളം മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റുകളുണ്ട്, അതേപോലെ ധാരാളം പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസിന്റെ ഡീറ്റെയിൽഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള എക്സ്പ്ലനേഷൻസ് ഉണ്ട്. ഈ ഒരു ദിവസങ്ങളിലൊക്കെ മാക്സിമം പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് കാണുക, അത് കൂടുതൽ വർക്കൗട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നതായിരിക്കും നല്ലത്. സോ ആദ്യമായിട്ടാണ് ചാനൽ കാണുന്നതെങ്കിൽ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. ഇതുപോലെയുള്ള വീഡിയോസിന്റെ നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷൻ ലഭിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി ബെല്ലൈക്കൺ പ്രസ് ചെയ്യുക. വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടമായെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ആൻഡ് ഷെയർ. താങ്ക് യു.